Why do spaceships not get lost in space? How do software engineers ensure that the software controlling a spaceship is both reliable and efficient? Could the same principles help you build better software even if it's not for a spaceship? Welcome, space explorers and software architects. I'm Karel. I'll be your CTO for today's interstellar journey through the cosmos of software design patterns. When you hear software design patterns, you might picture a programming knitting a colorful sweater where each stitch is a line of code and the patterns are there just to make it look pretty. Well, in our space adventure, imagine you're building the software for a spaceship. Initially, you might think it's all about choosing the right fuel or the shiniest metal for the hull, but no. Today, we're focusing on the unseen force behind it all, the software that ensures our spaceship doesn't end up lost in space or in an intergalactic drive-through by mistake. Software design patterns are like the blueprints for building parts of our spaceship's software. They're the tested solutions to common problems we encounter in software development, kind of like knowing the best way to navigate through an asteroid field without turning the spaceship into cosmic dust. So what do you need to use software design patterns? Well, first of all, you need to understand the problem. You need to know the ins and outs of the problem you're facing. It's like understanding why your spaceship keeps floating away every time you park it. Without knowing the problem, applying a design pattern is like putting on a spacesuit backwards. Sure, you're protected, but good luck operating the controls. Each design pattern serves a different purpose. It's akin to knowing which tool to use when fixing your spaceship. Use a wrench when you need a screwdriver, and you'll end up turning your spaceship into an expensive paperweight orbiting Mars. Not every pattern will fit your project. It's like customizing your spaceship for a trip to Venus instead of Mars. You need to adjust your design patterns to suit the environment, or you'll end up with a spaceship that's great at ice skating on Europa's surface but can't handle Venus's spa-like atmosphere. Your new patterns must play nice with the rest of your software. Imagine installing a state-of-the-art navigation system in your spaceship, but it only speaks Vulcan. If it can't communicate with your existing systems, you get lost in space faster than you can say Spock. You'd employ software design patterns when you realize that your spaceship software project is becoming as complex as a space opera plot. They help manage this complexity by providing a common language and best practices, ensuring that your spaceship doesn't accidentally warp into a black hole because someone misinterpreted the software specifications. For example, we have the singleton pattern. It ensures that your spaceship has only one captain. Multiple captains shouting orders would turn the cockpit into a chaotic reality show. Another example is the observer pattern. It's like having sensors alerting the crew when there's a breach in the hull. Without it, you might not notice you're losing oxygen until everyone starts floating. How about the factory method? Imagine choosing the right type of robot for a task, whether it's repairing the engine or making the perfect space espresso. Using the wrong robot might leave you with a dismantled engine or a coffee-flavored engine oil. And the strategy pattern? It allows your spaceship to change its flight strategy on the fly. Without it, you're sticking to your original course, even if it leads straight into an alien armada's welcome party. Its purpose? Software design patterns help keep your spaceship software from turning into an interstellar lemon. They ensure that your code is as sleek and efficient as a star cruiser, rather than a clunky space freighter held together with duct tape. Software design patterns are general, reusable solutions to common problems in software design. They are templates designed to help solve problems in a way that allows for changes without a complete redesign. And so, with the right patterns in place, our spaceship software is robust, adaptable, and ready to take on the cosmos. No black holes or unexpected space dinners can deter us from our mission. Before you jet off, don't forget to check out the 2 videos on your left. The top one has been handpicked just for you, promising to unravel the mysteries of programming in a way that's out of this world. And right beneath it, you'll find our channel's latest galactic adventure, diving into another programming enigma that's as intriguing as dark matter. We'll promise to propel your skills to cosmic height, even if they might not teach you how to pilot a spaceship yet.